In this video, we'll be taking a look at 12 task management apps that will help you stay productive, and also it will help you stay more organized. So in case you are new over here, hey guys, my name is Prithviraj. I'm an electronic music producer, a part-time gamer, and I also try to make videos. Alright, so let me help you find the best to-do list app for yourself. I'd like to start the list with something unusual rather. Check out WATERDO. It's rather an experience than a to-do list app. It shows you all the tasks in bubble format. You can simply double tap on them to pop and finish your task. I'll be honest, this is really satisfying. I can keep doing this all day. This app has a story. You can create and build upon the island experience it offers just by finishing a task. So if you needed some motivation to meet the deadlines of your task, this can actually help. So if this is something you need, then please keep using it. But this app can feel like a gimmick rather quickly. So once you have had your fun, let's move on and check out some other apps. TODOIST. It's one of my favorite task management app, and I personally use this app to manage my life. It's clean, it's simple, and it allows you to organize your task based on different projects. What I love the most about TODOIST is that you can simply type your task with its deadline and it will automatically convert it to a time-based task. Once you get used to this feature, it might be really hard to switch a different app. You can also create recurring tasks. I'm still using the free version of TODOIST as it gets most of my job done. If you get the premium version, it will allow you to create more projects and also set reminders. Microsoft To Do. I have featured this app on many of my past videos as well. The area where Microsoft To Do excels is that it's a completely free app. All its features are unlocked without any paywall. Among all the apps featured in this video, MS To Do provides with the most customization options. You can simply switch between different themes, or you can upload your own if you wanted to. You can manage your task on different projects and also set reminders all for free in this app. But the most important thing for you to do is to hit that subscribe button, and I'll keep bringing you such similar videos. But if you are well inside the Google ecosystem, then Google Task is an ideal app for you. It's very simple and it integrates with other Google apps seamlessly. You can add tasks directly from Gmail, or you can simply sync it with your Google Calendar, and then it will show your task in your Google Calendar in a checklist format. This can really be convenient if you manage your entire life using Google Calendar. The interface of this app is really clean, and you can also create various lists to organize your tasks based on your different projects. While we are on the topic of simplicity, and if minimalism is something you crave the most, then check out Minimalist. They even have a tagline, less is more. You can simply swipe down to add a task, left swipe to delete a task, and right swipe to mark it as complete. No, there is no option to super like a task. You can long press to create list, and you can also group them. This app has no BS. You can simply add and finish your task. No complexity whatsoever. A minimalist approach to work can really be useful to help you get your job done. ANY.DO or ANY.DO. This is another simple and clean task management app. I really like the interface, to be honest. You can sync ANY.DO with your calendar app and it will import all your events. I must say the integrated calendar in this app can really be useful. You can also use this app for time blocking and calendar blocking, whatever you call it. The agenda view shows all your upcoming tasks and events all in one place in a very clean way rather. ANY.DO also has a someday list by default, so you can add certain tasks that you would like to complete someday in your life. Overall, it's a great app for managing your task in one place, especially because of its calendar integration. Things 3. This has been one of the most popular app for iPhone users. I have seen many YouTubers manage their life in Things 3. It's a paid app and it only works with the Apple ecosystem. You can also sync your calendar with Things 3, but it doesn't have such an immersive calendar experience when you compare it with ANY.DO. You can create new projects and areas to organize your stuff. It's again a very simple app with a decluttered workspace so that you can only focus on the stuff that is most important to you. Sorted 3. Another app with 3 in their name. This app not only allows you to create tasks, but you can also create calendar events straight within this app. Now that's what I call being sorted. You can even attach a photo to a task. It can be really helpful if you're creating a grocery shopping list. You can simply attach the snap of the item you want to buy so that you don't mess up like me. Sorted. You can create different folders in the list app, and you can also manage your schedule within the app and it will automatically sync with your calendar. Sorted. To do. Do you call this one To Do or TEUXDEUX? Pardon my French. So far I've only seen Matt Diabella use To Do. Just like him, this app is also very minimal. This app has that red and black aesthetic, so I'm pretty sure MKBHD is gonna love this app as well. It has some built-in templates in the Someday tab. Books and ideas all have their dedicated slots. Similar to TODOIST, you can automatically set recurring tasks by typing every weekend or every Monday, for example. You can change the color to something other than red and black. I'd like to change it to black and black, cause why not? If you had enough of minimal apps, here's something to refresh your mind. ZENKIT To Do. It kinda has that old school email app vibe that I really like. You can create an organized task in different lists, and you can also star any important task. ZENKIT has its own suite of different apps, so it can be a great tool for collaboration and task management. It has this overlaid appearance in your task, so it's really perfect for you if you don't want minimalism at all. The 11th app for today is To-Do List Widget. As the name suggests, suggest, it's basically a widget app. It gives you a lot of flexibility while designing the widget. You are able to create multiple widgets based on multiple lists. If you like to keep widgets of your task on your home screen, then you will really find this app useful. You can change the font size and the color as per your liking. The final app on today's list is called TICKTICK. This is like an all-in-one task management app. You can again sync and manage your calendar inside of TICKTICK. On top of that, you also have a Pomodoro timer as well as a stopwatch built in. If you are using it on your computer, this can actually turn out to be an all-in-one solution for you. There is also a habit tracking feature, so you don't need any external app for habit tracking when you use TICKTICK. And did I mention you can also add tasks here? If you found the best task management app for yourself, then let's find out the best note-taking app for you as well. Click here to check out the best note-taking apps you can use to build your second brain. Please consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you there.